Hello guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect your website or blog to Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝘂𝗿 𝗥𝗲𝗱𝗀𝗱. I am a professional web developer with 7 years of industry experience building beautiful websites and blog for clients all over the world. If you find a lot of value from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Today, we're going to look at how to connect your website or blog to Google Search Console and Google Analytics. And in order to do that, you just need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So now, once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you just need to navigate to this area called Plugins, then click on Add New. Now, once you're here, just type Site Kit. Now, once you see this plugin, you just need to click on Install Now. Then you click on Activate. Once you do that, just click on Start Setup. Then you'll be brought to this page. On this page, just select this checkbox here. Then allow this thing to load. So once it finished loading, just click on Sign in with Google. And after that, just select your account here. So you need a Gmail account and you need to be logged in. So just select your account here. Then you just need to scroll down, select this box, select this box, select this box, and click on Continue. Then after that, you just click on Verify. Then you click on Allow. Then the next step, you click on Setup. Then you click on Next. So once you're done with that, you'll be redirected back to your WordPress dashboard. So the next step is to create your Google Analytics account. Remember, you just finished to set up your Google Search Console account. You've connected your blog or website to Google Search Console. So the next step is to connect it to Google Analytics. So automatically, all these fields will display here. So what you need to do is to select that's Create Account. Then the next step is to click your account here. Then you check this box, then you click on Continue. After that, you'll be brought back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay. Then automatically, the plugin will redirect you to this page here. So here you need to accept the terms and service for using Google Analytics. So here automatically, you just need to select your country or it will be selected for you here. So I'll just select my country here. Then you click on this accept here. Then here you also click on this checkbox here. Then you scroll down. Then here, click on accept here. Then you scroll down, then click on I accept here. Then the next step is to just click on go back to my dashboard. You can see it has been created successfully. So once you do all that, you'll be redirected back to your WordPress dashboard. And on this dashboard now, you can see some kind of summary data. You can see gathering data because this is just a new blog we created area. So in one of our videos, we created this blog. So this blog is just for, tutorial purpose. So here we don't have any traffic data. We don't have any of that. So, but once you create your website and you start getting traffic, maybe paid traffic, organic traffic, all those kind of traffic, you're going to see it here. You're going to see how the trend of your traffic, where they are coming from, the channels, the location. You can see there's nothing here. So, but after some few days, it will start showing some data here. So you just need to give it some time. Now, if you want to go to the Google Analytics website, let's say you want to go to the dashboard of the Google Analytics, because these things you're seeing here is just a summary. So you just need to click on this source analytics here. Then when we go back to our WordPress dashboard, you can see search traffic over the last 28 days. Now you can see total impression, clicks, unique visitors from search. But don't worry, in one of our upcoming videos, I'm going to create an in-depth video on how to use Google Analytics and also how to use Google Search Console so that you'll be able to understand these data and read them to be able to make good business decisions with your website or your blog. Okay. So when we go down, you can also click on this link here to go to the Google Search Console website. So now this step we've just covered in this video is just one of the many steps with optimizing your website or your blog for search engines. Because after carrying out this step, there's another step you're supposed to carry out in order to enable Google know about your site and also start ranking your site. Because right now, Google just know your site is connected to them. So it will take some time for Google to start understanding, okay, what is on your site. So but now, if you want to make Google make the decision very fast, you need to submit what we call sitemap. So in our upcoming video, I'll show you how to submit your website sitemap to Google Console so that Google Console can be able to read your website data. Now, when I scroll down, you can see how your content is doing. So when you start writing content, the keywords, you see those top queries, what people are searching for in order to see your website. You see all those things here. So if you want to earn money with Google AdSense, you visited some sites before in the past and you see adverts showing on those sites. So if you want to also display advert maybe on your blog, you can also connect your blog to Google AdSense, but this is going to be in another. So I'm going to show you how to connect your website to your blog to Google AdSense so that you can be able to earn money with your site from ads. Okay. So here, this is just for page speed to see how your content is loading. If you want to also optimize your content for speed, that is going to be in another video. So when we go to this place here, you can see welcome to Search Console. So this is the Google Search Console interface here. So we're not going to cover much here. You can see sitemap. So you need to submit your website sitemap to Google Search Console. So Google can be able to crawl through your website and understand how your website is structured. Then the next one is for Google Analytics. So I can just click on these items here so that I can be notified when something goes on with my website or future announcement and the rest of them. Okay, so I'll click on got it, then click out of here. So here you can see acquisition overview. So you can see all this top traffic, all these things. You can see where your traffic is coming from. Here you can see all these place here, all these various bars and menus here, all these options here. But don't worry, this is not for Google Analytics. So we just want to show you how to connect it. So if you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like our video so that it will help you to recommend our video to others and also enable them get more value from our video. So I just hope you stay safe and see you in the next one. Peace.